Hi friends, this video shows how to change microfiber head or refill of any spin bucket mop. So here I am going to remove this microfiber refill. It's very easy. We can just pull that microfiber refill. That way we can easily remove it. So let me show. We can just pull like this. Okay, done. So this way we can easily remove the refill. So if you want to uh, change it with a new one, take the new refill, then we just need to push. I will show you how to connect the new refill. We can connect new refill like this, just put it like this, then just push. Okay, done. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.